Feeling worthless can envelop you like a heavy fog, casting shadows over your achievements and aspirations. This emotional weight can leave you feeling like an anchor dragging you down, stifling your courage and zest for life. Discovering the source of these feelings is akin to unraveling a complex tapestry, revealing threads of lack of validation, crippling comparisons to others, or the shadows of past traumas that linger in the corners of your mind. Understanding the why can illuminate a path towards healing and self-renewal. Talking about your feelings is the first step toward alleviating this heaviness. Opening up to a friend or family member lends an ear to your thoughts, offering solace amidst the storm. Alternatively, journaling can act as a safe haven for your feelings, transforming emotional chaos into clarity. On paper, forging a bridge back to self-acceptance. You are not alone in this journey. Vulnerability fosters connection and can pave the way toward understanding. Practicing self-compassion is discovering the gentle art of being kind to yourself. Treat yourself as you would a dear friend. Embrace your imperfections, acknowledge your achievements, and celebrate your unique essence. When chaos engulfs your mind, physical activity serves as an antidote. Whether you choose to dance in your living room or take a brisk walk in the fresh air, movement sparks joy and releases endorphins, painting your mood in brighter colors. Engaging in creative activities is like weaving vibrant patches into the fabric of your emotional state. Whether you paint with bold strokes or write with passionate prose, expressing yourself fosters healing and a sense of accomplishment. Nature beckons like a wise friend, reminding you of its healing embrace. A simple stroll through a sun-dappled park or a serene sit by a tranquil lake can wash away the heaviness, rejuvenating your spirit with its whispers of beauty. Challenging negative thoughts invites you to question the baseless criticisms of your inner voice. With courage, focus on the shadows of positivity that flicker within you, illuminating your worth. Make time for yourself, allowing moments of joy to seep into your daily life. Cultivating mindfulness through deep breaths and moments of gratitude fosters peace amid the swirling chaos. If feelings of worthlessness still loom like dark clouds overhead, seeking support from professionals provides tools for navigating through these emotional terrain. Set realistic goals, however small, to chart your path and celebrate each step forward. The thrill of progress, no matter the magnitude, rekindles the flame of confidence. Remember, feelings of worthlessness may linger, but they do not define your journey. By embracing these practical steps, you can gently rise from the depths and step into the light of self-worth, reclaiming joy and purpose in your life.